Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to log out your Battleground Mobile India game from all devices remotely. In this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, first you need to open the Battleground Mobile India game on your Android device. After opening, in the bottom right side corner you can get one arrow mark, up arrow mark, just tap on it. Okay, from here you want to open the settings. In the settings you can get the option logout, just tap on it. If you want to log out your account only on your current device, just you need to tap on OK. But if you want to log out your Battleground Mobile India game from all your devices, just you need to check logout of all devices. Like this you want to check and click on OK. That's it. So from here you can easily remotely log out your Battleground Mobile India account from your all devices remotely. So that's it for today guys. This is a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.